In this tutorial, we get to add something cool, the app bar. Coming up, we'll use this app bar for media capture, but first I'll explain a little bit about how we can do this. Windows Runtime includes a namespace called windows.media.capture, which contains several useful classes that capture and incorporate media for our apps. For example, the Camera Capture UI class allows us to take photos and videos, which we can then use within our Animals Puzzle application. We'll also look at adding an app bar to our Animals Puzzle application so that the users have easy access to these features. The system requirements for this tutorial are Microsoft Windows 8 and Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. Now, let's start by adding the app bar to our Animals Puzzle application. To do this, we need to install some third-party controls. We'll be using Callisto Control Suite, which is a community project led by Tim Hewer. You can find the Callisto download page by following the link below. Once you have successfully downloaded the Callisto Control Suite, open the Animals Puzzle project we were working on in Section 2. If you are just joining us, you can download the solution completed up to this point in the course's product page. In the Solution Explorer, right-click on References and go Add Reference. In the list on the left, expand Windows and click on Extensions. The newly installed Callisto Suite should be in the list. Select it and press OK. Now that we've added the reference to our project, we can use the controls in our application. Open itemdetailpage.xaml and add the following statements to the page.resources section. I have prepared this code already, so I'm just going to paste it in here. Feel free to pause the video throughout the tutorial to copy this code into your own solution. Next, add the following statements immediately after the page.resources section. This is the app bar control that we are adding to our Animals Items page. Now, open itemdetailpage.xaml.cs and add the following using statements for the Callisto controls and application model.dataTransfer. Next, add the following methods to the end of the item detail page class. One is an event handler for when the button we just added is clicked, and the others are event handlers for when photos and videos are captured. So now we can test our newly created app bar. To run the application, press F5 or the play button. Click on Giraffe, and to display the app bar, you can right-click on the page or press Windows key and Z. If you are using a touchscreen, you can pull up the app bar by swiping upward from the bottom of the screen. We should see a brag command on the app bar, and by clicking on it, we see a pop-up menu giving us options for photo or video. Click on Photo and verify that the sharing pane on the right appears. Now that we've got our app bar working in our Animals Puzzle project, let's move along to look at photo capture. It's coming right up in the next tutorial.